30 Types of Popular Graptovaria Succulent Pictorial Guide. Graptovaria is a hybrid succulent plant that is a cross between two popular genera, Graptopetalum and Echeveria. These plants are known for their unique, colorful leaves that range from shades of purple and blue to green and silver. One of the reasons why Graptovaria succulents are so popular among gardeners and plant enthusiasts is that they are incredibly easy to care for. They can tolerate a wide range of conditions and only require moderate watering. Graptovaria Harry Watson, Graptovaria fanfare, Graptovaria gilva, Graptovaria olivia, Graptovaria supreme, Graptovaria rubidana, Graptovaria phoenix, Graptovaria bainesii, Graptovaria acaulis, Graptovaria topsy-debbie. With proper care, Graptovaria succulents can thrive and bring stunning color to your home.